Welcome to Rhodes. Today we will take a look around Newtown in Rhodes. So bear with me, we have a heavy wind today, but it doesn't stop us making videos. So let's go and see the Newtown. So our starting point is in front of Aquarium and Cactus Hotel. So let's take a look around. I have 20% battery on my scooter, but hopefully most of the time I can ride, because Newtown is quite big and I try to see the most busiest places in Newtown. Hibiscus Hotel is right here on the beachfront. We have heavy waves today at Elli Beach, so let me show you quickly. This is so nice view, all the waves. We have 50 kilometers per hour winds today, but that won't stop us making videos. So this is one entrance to Casino, Rhodos Casino, huge building with great history. So it's the only casino on the island, but let's see where we can go. So we already have some food markets. Island Boutique Hotel is right here, and below that there is a pasta, pizza, Greek cuisine, fish and seafood. So you can get every possible food here. It's called Nisos Steakhouse. Aqua Mare Hotel. It's not easy to navigate in Newtown, and if you have a rental car, then mostly you don't find a parking spot, or it may take hours. Let's see the main entrance for casino. Very cool building. So this is the main entrance. And this Casino Rhodos is hotel slash casino. So nice place with very old history. So what we have here, we have car rental options right here. Space bar where you can enjoy drinks and cocktails. Let's go this way. Memphis Barbecue and Grill. I think I have to go off the road. So this place is mainly with businesses from Finland, Norway, Sweden. So all the people from those countries has made their own bar here or restaurant. For example, this Reflections. Next one is Suomalainen Baari. This is Suomalainen Baari, Cafe Bar Demis. Across the road is Red Restaurant and Norske Baren. So this is like a northern countries meeting point, because we have Norsken Bari 1 and Norsken Baren 2. Two different. This is also Hallon. I see Swedish flag here and something Finnish. So this year it's 16th of May 2025, and a lot of things have changed, because when I recorded one video 2 years ago, here they had a very cool supermarket with good prices and tourist stuff, but now it's all renovated. As you see, it's almost impossible to go across the road if you don't just step on the road, because nobody cares if you want to go other side of the road or not. But yeah, Mitsi's Grand Hotel is expanding. They are building everything from zero basically, and they do call the businesses down here to expand. So let's go this way first. This is the biggest construction I have seen on this island. So lots of cool shops are gone now. In Newtown you can expect better prices for souvenirs, tourist things and so on. And also the food is cheaper than in Old Town, because the businesses are owned by people from Finland, Sweden, Norway and so on. Local cocktail bar restaurant. I really like this place. Usually when I come to Newtown, I come here. Great prices, great food and lovely stuff. So let's go and check the Bar Street first. As you see, heavy wind today. We have few snack bars, supermarkets here. Basically, you can find supermarket almost after every 300 meters or so. So you can find tobacco products, chips, drinks, and everything from mini markets and supermarkets. So next to Newtown we have Ahti Kanari Beach, which is the most beautiful beach in Rhodos town. As you see, the colors, they're amazing, and it's a windy beach and pebbly beach. So in Rhodos town you can expect only pebbly beaches, so get sand beach shoes. They cost 10 euros, but they are worth it, so you don't break your feet and get safely to the water. Here we have the only bar street in Rhodos town. So this whole street is bar street at night. You can find strip clubs, pubs, cocktail bars and everything like that from here. So let's keep going. Newtown is a quite wide area, so I'm not sure how much I can show you today, but I try to show you the main places. Here is one bigger supermarket. Very nice places. And always, when you go to eat somewhere, always check Google Maps and see the reviews first. If they are really bad, then don't go. Just try to get the real Greek experience. So now I'm driving a one-way street, wrong side. Newtown is a great place where you can basically make some shopping more cheaper than anywhere else. Let's see, we have the bistro here. If you have been in Newtown or stayed here, where did you stay or what places did you visit? Because I can't go to every place and see how they are, because otherwise I need millions. As you see, parking is a problem here, so people just park in the middle of the road to deal with business stuff. Here we have Piccadilly cocktail bar restaurant. I have few friends who visit this place, and stuff is also very nice. I just had a coffee here, so that place I recommend. Here we have a meat sweet barbecue. And these are the shoes I was talking about. Get these when you come to Rhodes town or where you have pebble beaches. You can protect your feet like that. Now, this is the place where most of the locals go, Goitos, spa, massage. But this restaurant here is where you can see locals all year around. And it's mostly full and great music and big place of food. As I told, lots of shopping with good prices. 10 euros for a hat or for pants, swimming pants, tassels. And here we have cream ice cream, very pink. Some leather shoes from real leather. So this is the busiest street in Newtown, as I think. I wish I had more scooter battery so I can drive around a lot, but I already recorded 4 videos today, so hopefully I can show you as much as possible. Very nice setups, and during evening or daytime it's really nice to sit here, enjoy the dinner or lunch. And if you're wondering where you can get tobacco products that is asked a lot from me, then these kind of mini markets, they are everywhere. They sell all kinds of tobacco, drinks, chips, whatever you need. So no problem finding them. Crazy busy. I know lots of you like McDonald's because it's the most popular fast food restaurants in the whole world. So let's see where the Rhodes McDonald's is. I can say I haven't eaten there in 2 years because the prices are twice as high than local food. Was it here? Let's see. Go around. Today is 16th of May 2025. All the places are full of people. It's 20 degrees outside, and Today is exceptional day where we have 50 kilometers per hour winds. Otherwise it's no wind and 20 or 30 degrees outside during summertime. And this is our McDonald's, full of people as usual. And in the town you can also order food from eFood. It's an application. Oh my god, this place is full. Why people come to McDonald's, I don't know. Great food is so good. And yet people decide to come here. Pita gyros, 4 euros. You get twice as much as McDonald's meal. So this is the street where the shopping starts for locals as well. You can find all kind of stores here, like women's favorite Sephora, H&M. What else? I don't even know the big brands because I don't use brand clothing. Pepe jeans. So Newtown is for shopping mostly, and people for outside of Greece who has set food down here. Terranova. The wind is picking up. Hugo Boss, Emporio Armani, Karl Lagerfeld. The people who like to shop them. This is the main streets, and few blocks away are most of the biggest stores, like Scarabi, Ralph Lauren. This is the area where you want to come to shop if you like brand stuff, and Lacoste, for example. And it is 100 meters from bus station, Rhodes bus station. So you can find it easily when you come with bus. And if you want me to make a shopping video or window shopping video, then let me know in comments, and I will show you all the items and prices. So here is a bus station, and 100 meters that way you can find the shopping streets, all of them. And from bus station we can easily access Mandraki port. But I will make a separate video about Mandraki port because I don't want one video to be like half hour or 1 hour long. So everything is close by. It's easy to walk around, and you can spend a day exploring the new town and old town and Mandraki port. So this was it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. And if you want special prices, special deals, go to looneytravels.com. You can find secret deals there, so my viewers get better prices and better customer service. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.